and welcome to Blueprint Income, where we make the annuity buying process simple and straightforward. Today, we'll explore how annuities can provide financial security in retirement, what to consider before buying one, and how Blueprint Income guides you through it all. Let's begin. An annuity offers a stable and predictable income stream for life or a set term, crucial for reducing financial uncertainty in retirement. With tax advantages, your contributions grow tax deferred, meaning you pay taxes only when you make withdrawals. Annuities also protect against market downturns, ensuring your principal investment is secure. They can streamline estate planning, allowing you to pass wealth directly to your heirs and potentially avoiding probate. With various riders available, you can customize your annuity to meet specific goals like adjusting payouts with inflation or covering healthcare needs, ensuring your financial independence regardless of life expectancy. When considering an annuity, evaluate your need for steady retirement income versus your short-term financial needs. Choose from immediate, deferred, and other types based on your retirement timing and risk tolerance. It's important to understand the fees involved, such as surrender charges and administrative expenses. Checking the financial strength of the insurer is crucial to evaluate the strength of the company's ability to fulfill their obligations to you. Additionally, consider the long-term impacts of inflation and taxes on your investment and the flexibility options like death benefits, withdrawal rights, and other riders that can tailor the annuity to your needs. At Blueprint Income, our mission is to guide you smoothly and efficiently through this process. We provide access to top annuity products and the tools you need to make informed decisions. Our team of licensed agents collaborates with over 40 insurers so you can find the best match for your situation. The contract is directly between you and the insurer, but we're here to support you at every step. Applying online is straightforward. You'll enter your personal information, upload identity verification documents, and provide a financial overview. After you submit your application, our team reviews it within 1 to 2 business days. We then finalize and submit it to the insurer. The processing time can vary, especially with transfers or exchanges, but typically it takes a few weeks. Once your policy is issued, you'll receive the documentation and have a 10 to 30-day period to review it under the free look provision, ensuring your complete satisfaction. Managing your annuities is straightforward with our online portal, keeping you informed of key updates and milestones. At Blueprint Income, we're committed to helping you secure a financially stable retirement. Visit our website to learn more and start your application today. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to assisting you in securing your financial future with confidence.